In the end, it's not about having or not a television in your living room. It's about how you arrange things in the space that you are living in. Okay, so TV or no TV? That's the question. Let's face it, we all watch some TV. Some more than others, but in the end, it is already integrated to the lives of most of us. And having a TV in the living room is a common choice for most people because it can be a source of entertainment, relaxation, and for some, it offers access to news, to TV shows, movies, or music, whatever. However, most designers might discourage you on having a TV in the living room. And I personally prefer to have a dedicated area for it or save it for the bedroom. But sometimes having a TV in the living room might be the best choice. So let's talk about some of them. If your living room serves as a primary gathering space for family and friends, especially if you have a big family, this is a gathering space for you to watch whatever you watch on television, then it can enhance that experience. Also, for families who enjoy spending quality time together, having a TV in the living room can facilitate bonding and shared experiences. Placing a TV in the living room can also be convenient for daily use, allowing easy access to entertainment without having to designate a separate room solely for watching TV. Also, if you have space restrictions, for instance, in smaller homes or apartments where space is limited, living room often doubles as multi-purpose areas. Like this one here. So integrating a TV in the living room can help maximize space without sacrificing entertainment options. Also, it can be just a design choice because if the living room's design allows for seamless integration of the TV without compromising the overall aesthetic, having the TV can complement the space and provide balance between functionality and design. From the designer point of view, some might prefer to minimize the visual impact of the television in any room because let's face it, as proud as you might be of the size of how new your television is, in the end, it is just like a refrigerator or any other appliance that you have at home, okay? It's not pretty and it's not decor. And that's the reason why most designers wouldn't like to have it as a focal point in any room. It's more interesting to have artwork or a fireplace or a scenic window view, as focal points rather than a TV screen. There are, of course, some creative ways to integrate it to the living room overall design and maintain a clean, minimalist, clutter-free appearance and provide a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing space, such as placing it on a dark wall so when it's off, it can minimize its presence, hiding it in cabinets or sliding panels, hide it behind tapestry or even mirrors, replacing it with a frame TV, place some tall plants close to it to minimize the visual impact of it, make a gallery wall around it, or using projectors that can be concealed when not in use. All this can help integrate better the TV, not only in the living room, but in any room. So when it is not a good choice to have a TV in the living room, first of all, it's a personal choice, okay? So if you prefer a minimalist or more traditional design aesthetic, a TV might clash with that intended design scheme. Also, it's not good for social interaction because if you want to encourage more face-to-face interaction and conversation among family members and friends, and then having a TV in the living room can sometimes be a distraction and reduce social engagement. Also, if you have space limitations, for instance, in a smaller living room, incorporating a TV might make the room feel cramped and cluttered, especially if there isn't enough space for comfortable seating arrangements around it. Also, if you already have a separated room that can be designated for watching TV and movies, you might prefer to keep the living room TV free to create a more formal or relaxed atmosphere for conversation and relaxation. It is also worth it noting that the absence of the TV in the living room can foster more meaningful interactions among family members and friends, and it encourages other activities such as reading, conversation, playing games, rather than just engaging in passive entertainment consumption. Also, a no TV in the living room allows for a more minimalist and aesthetically pleasing living space, because TVs can dominate the visual space in the room, especially smaller spaces. But in the end, the decision to include a TV in the living room comes down to personal preference, lifestyle, and how it fits in the overall design that you are envisioning. Be it for entertainment, be it for relaxation, be it for social activities. It's your house, so it's your rules, okay? However, if you look at your place and see that there might be something a little bit off, it can be the television, of course, but it can be only the way that it is arranged in the living room. What I want you to take from all this little talk that we are having here is that it's not about having or not the television in the living room. It's about how you arrange all the things in the space that you are in. Regardless of your design of choice, it all comes down to how you arrange things in a space, okay? Be it with or without the television, be it with too many things or too little. The way you find to make use of things around the space is what is going to make it better. Let me know if there is another topic like this that you would like to talk about, and I will be pleased to mention it in our next video. As always, thank you for joining us.
Oh, we can